Students, welcome to our physics class. In this class, I am going to explain about effects of heat. Heat is main cause of change of temperature in the body. When we supply heat to the body, the temperature of the body increases. When heat is liberated from the body, the temperature of the body decreases. Heat changes the temperature of the body. Next, because of heat, the state of the matter changes one form to another form. Changes in state of matter caused by the heat. When heat is observed, solids convert into liquids, liquid convert into gases. Solids converting into liquids is called melting. Melting is taken place at particular temperature is called melting point. The melting point of the substance is depends on the nature of the substance. It's not same for all the substances. It is different for different matters. Now evaporation. What is evaporation? This is the process liquid changes into gases at any temperature, not particular temperature, at any temperature. That means liquids absorb heat energy from surroundings and evaporates. When liquids absorb heat energy from surroundings, the particles of the liquids gain energy and jump into air particles. Such a way evaporation is taken place from the surface. So it is called surface phenomena. Here, what are the factors affecting the evaporation? Exposing area of the surface of the water and temperature of the liquid and temperature of the surrounding temperature of the liquid, and next nature of the liquid and presence of the wind and humidity of the atmosphere. First one, exposed area. More area exposed to the wind or the sunlight or heat will evaporate more. Temperature of the liquid. Hot water will evaporate faster. Temperature of the surroundings. If the atmosphere or surrounding temperature is more, then heat energy absorbed by the liquid is increases and easily evaporates. If the surrounding temperature is cool, the evaporation takes place slowly. And next, nature of the liquid. Depends on the nature of the liquid, evaporation is different. The evaporation is not same for all liquids. Presence of wind. More wind flow is more evaporation is taken place in the water. Next, humidity of the atmosphere. More humidity, less evaporation. Less dry weather cause more evaporation. More humidity cause less evaporation. The evaporation rate of evaporation will be decreased because of humidity presence in the atmosphere. Next, boiling. What is boiling? This is a process conversion of liquid to gases. It is like same like evaporation, but what is the difference? Evaporation taking place at any temperature for any heat, any condition, surrounding conditions, but boiling is taken place at particular temperature. Example, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Similarly, different liquids have different boiling points. At particular temperature only it taken place. So to get the temperature, to get the boiling point, we should supply the heat energy to the liquids. Then only liquids convert into vapors. Is called boiling point. It is happen at particular temperature. Now factors affecting the boiling. That depends on the nature of the liquid. All liquids does not have same boiling point. Example, water is having boiling point 100 degrees Celsius, and alcohol or diesel, petrol will boil in for below 100 degrees temperature. So that means all liquids does not have same boiling point. That depends on the nature of the liquid. Next, atmospheric pressure. More pressure, boiling point increases. Less pressure, boiling point decreases. That is why on mountains it is difficult to cook the food because boiling point decreases. For less boiling point, the food will not cook properly. So that is why it is difficult to cook on the mountains. So that means here what is conclusion is atmosphere pressure decreases, boiling point also decreases. Pressure increases, boiling point also increases. Next, thermal expansion. Due to heat, substance will expand. Any substance expand due to heat is called thermal expansion. Thermal expansion of solids. Solids expands due to supplying of heat or due to surrounding heat. Solids expands. Linear expansion. Expansion are different. Linear expansion. So lengthwise. Expansion in lengthwise is called linear expansion. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.